How to update Google Play Store manually. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you the ways on how you can actually update the Google Play Store app itself manually. If you want to update some of the Android apps, you use a Google Play Store, but how do you actually update your Google Play Store app itself? For that, make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing we will do is make sure we are connected to the internet, and now we will go ahead and simply launch the Play Store application. Once you launch the Play Store app, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. What you have to do is you have to simply tap on your profile icon, which you see at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon. As you tap on the profile icon, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. Select the one which says settings. As soon as you select settings, you'll be able to see again a list of various options. What you might just want to do is this time you want to go ahead and select the option which is a button. You can see, tap on about and you can see Play Store version. So if you see an update button next to the Play Store version, you have to simply tap on this update Play Store button. So I will tap on update Play Store, and you can see it says a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed automatically. You don't need to do anything. It is going to be updated automatically when there is enough space and enough storage left on your device and with a good internet connection. And just like that, this is how you can update your Google Play Store manually. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.